Guys, and welcome back to my channel, Brown Eyes on a Budget. And today we're going to be doing a little quick DIY for fall. So if you're interested in seeing, then y'all stay tuned. Guys, what you're going to need for this project is 2 of the little pumpkin wreaths that you would purchase from Dollar Tree. You're also either going to need some spray paint or some type of paint that you would like to use for this project. You're going to need 1 of the little signs from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 2 garlands from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some little lights from Dollar Tree also. So the only thing that didn't come from Dollar Tree is, of course, my Rust-Oleum paint. And I am using Cobra because a lot of people like to know I'm using Cobra Rust-Oleum. So yeah, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get these all spray painted up, you guys. And I'm going to do that off of camera, and then I'll come back and then we'll do everything else on camera. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, you guys, I've got my wreath forms all spray painted and everything. So I'm going to take the first one and I'm going to take my garland from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to wrap it to my liking. So just basically however you want to wrap your wreath form. Really doesn't have to be no special way. But you will be wrapping both of them in some garland. That's why I got 2 of them. And I thought this was the cutest little things. You guys, I was up at like, what, 12 something? Has anyone ever, you know, all the real crafters out here, do you ever go to bed, try and go to bed, but your mind is like racing with all these little DIYs you want to try, you know, and create? My mind was like racing, you guys, and I could not go to sleep because I had so many different little ideas I wanted to, you know, try and create. All right, so I got this one pretty much wrapped the way I want it. So now I'm just going to take these little ends and pull this through here like this, and let, where'd it go? Okay, and let that be like that. So that's pretty much how you do it. You wrap it to any way you want to. So that's my first one. So I'm going to get my second one and I'm going to wrap that, you guys. Okay, I got my second one, you guys, and I've already kind of put in some of it. I'm going to go ahead and get this wrapped real quickly. I don't want this to be a long video. But I wanted to make something else from my home, something fallish. I think I'll probably sit this on the fireplace. Maybe, maybe not. It'll go somewhere. Alright, so I got my second one wrapped. So I'm going to go ahead and get it closed up, and then I'll come back and we'll move on to the next step, you guys. Okay, you guys, I think I forgot to mention one more thing you was going to need. You was going to need some floral wire from Dollar Tree. I've been had mine on hand. And you're going to need your little wire cutters, okay, in order to hold them together. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but yes, you're going to need some floral wire also. All right, let me get this together, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I wanted to come on real quick and just show you how I got it setting. You just sit on one on top of the other. And so I put some floral wire right here and then right here. And then I'm going down here to put some floral wire. I would just say line them up the best way you can. But I wanted to show you, just wrap your floral wire around them, and I will go back over my floral wire so it'll blend in with my color a little bit later. But for time's sake, I just wanted to show you wherever you think you might need some floral wire at, you just put it to make sure it's secure. Now, you guys, I did have another way I was going to do this, so that's probably why I didn't tell you was going to need some floral wire, because I was going to do this a different way. And then while I was talking to y'all, I changed it And then that's why I said you would need some floral wire for this one, because I was going to just hang each one separately, but then I changed it around. And a lot of times I do that in the middle of something I already done planned out. So yeah. All right, I'm going to finish with this floral wire, and then I'll be back, you guys, with the next step. All right, you guys, this is what it's looking like after it has been wired together. It looks like this. So now we're going to get to the fun part, you guys. We're going to put the lights on, okay? And I really don't have anywhere to place my battery pack on this pumpkin, but I don't have to worry about that because it will be hid when this is in operation. So I'll just hide it behind something else. But anyway, you're going to take your lights wherever you want to string them. It really does not matter. And you're just going to string them in. Now, I don't know if I'm going to use 1 or 2. If you think you need more string lights, you can always add some more. But I'm just going to, I don't know, I might get another one. I don't know. Let's see how this is looking so far. I might get another one for the next side. But yeah, I'm just putting them on here, you guys. So I'm going to continue doing that. And then, let me see, I might not need to use another one. I might not use another one right now. It might just be like that. Okay, so I'm going to get this together and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got my little pumpkin all together and I got my lights on. So what we're going to do now is the last step. Like I said, we're going to need the Dollar Tree sign, and what you're going to do is just detach it. And I was going to try and put it in the grooves that's on the side, but I decided not to. So I'm going to put some hot glue on this, and then I'm going to attach that to this right here. So y'all hold on. All right, so we're going to put some hot glue on right here. And you're going to need a generous amount of hot glue. Let me get my other stick. Where is my other stick? Get my other stick, you guys. Okay, so like I said, you're going to need a generous amount of hot glue so it can adhere to it. So I'm just getting it all on here. If I don't get myself a big old glue gun, you guys, oh my goodness. But anyway, let's move on. So now you're going to take your pumpkin and you're going to sit it up on here. And then you will also glue on the inside of it also, you guys. So I'm going to come back in a minute with the finished look, you guys. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look of my little pumpkin wreath decor that I made using the pumpkin wreath forms at Dollar Tree, some garland from Dollar Tree, and the little, the little LED lights from Dollar Tree, you guys. So I think it turned out really, really cute. I'm really, really excited to, incorporate this into my fall decor. So yeah, I'm going to show you how it looks with the lights off, you guys, and then we will be done. So hold on. Okay, you guys, and this is how it looks on my fireplace. I think it is really, really cute, you guys. And as you can see, you do not see the battery pack unless you really, really looking. But I think it turned out really, really cute. If the light's off and everything, it has that special little touch to fall. So yeah, I really do like it. So thank y'all for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. That being said, if you like to see me do my DIYs and you like to see DIYs, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And also remember to hit the bell notification so you will be reminded of any of my DIYs that I do upload. All right, you guys, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.